spaces within the home are visually connected to each other and their surroundings. Making use of Bangalore's pleasant climate, the design incorporates an open and porous layout. The open concept of the home enhances the natural light, spaciousness, and tranquility of the living space. The duplex house, which can be accessed through both a lift and stairs, features a strategically placed shaded veranda that beautifully captures the essence of the design and materials used in both houses. The central water feature in the living room separates it from the rest of the house, creating a double-height space that brings in plenty of natural light and brightens up the entire home. This design choice also allows for a visual connection with the surrounding greenery. Skylights placed in these tall spaces further enhance the abundant light and airy atmosphere. The combination of ample light, fresh air, gray flooring, and warm interior design elements adds a sense of playfulness and curiosity to the home.